P5 fractions. Which of the following fractions is the greatest? Come, you need to pick the greatest fraction. Which one? What do you think? Is it the white color or the purple color? Okay. 87 people have answered. I think left a few more, is it? Alright, so in case anyone just joined, okay, you can still join in the Kahoot, alright? You can go to www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin you see all the way at the bottom of my screen. 3003872. Okay, enter that pin and you can still join. Alright. 10 more seconds. Let's see how many people got the correct answer. Wow, almost half of y'all got the correct answer. Very good, very good. Okay. So remember, when you want to get or you want to compare your fractions, remember, you can either make the numerator the same or the denominator the same. Okay. Alright, now let's see first who is currently at the top 5, and then we'll see the solution. Alright, are you all ready to see who is currently at the top 5? Let's go. Amazing Sphinx 993. You're very close with the second place, Mighty Kitten, like a strong small kitten. Okay, and then number 3, Dynamic Macau, also very close, of 1 point difference. Wow, all the top 5 people are very close with 1 point difference, and we got Helpful Dingo and Polite Llama. Alright, so this is interesting because out of the 5 of you, right, okay, you all can easily overtake each other on the next question, okay, depending on how fast you join, how fast you answer. Alright, so Thanos, don't snap your finger, okay? Alright, so for those who just joined this live, you can still join right now. Go to www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin at the bottom of my screen. You can see at the bottom, all the way to the bottom there. Okay, this 3003872. Okay, enter the game pin and you can still join. Alright. Okay, I'm seeing on the live everybody is like impatient, very excited. Okay, but next let's see the solution first. Okay. Alright, so the solution that I have here is basically by making the numerators the same. Why do I choose to make numerators the same? Because it is easier to think of a common multiple between 2, 4, 3 and 6. Alright, so I make them all to 12. Okay, because you can think of 2 and 4, common multiple is 4. And then 4 and 3, common multiple is 12. And then 6, you just times 2 to make it 12. Alright, so to make it 12, okay, for the first option, I times 6 times 6. The second option, I times 3 times 3. The third option, I times 4 times 4. And last one, I times 2 times 2. Now that all on the right, you see all are 12, 12, 12, 12. Now I look at the denominator. So how do I compare fractions using the denominator? You can think of it this way. Okay. Remember when you first learned fraction, right? They got all those diagrams where they cut into equal portion. Alright. Okay, so when they cut into equal portions, okay, if you are having a bigger denominator, right, each portion will be smaller, right? Okay, but if you have smaller denominator, okay, you will get a bigger portion. Alright, that is why, since we are already dealing with the same amount of portions, alright, so if every portion is bigger because of a smaller denominator, we will get a bigger fraction. Okay, So that's why the answer is number 4, because it has the smallest denominator of 22. Alright? If we are talking about the smallest fraction, then it will be option 1. Okay? Alright, so I hope you all can be a little bit more patient, because after all, we are not just here to play the Kahoot, but also to learn something. Alright, so give me a chance to explain first, and I'll press next. Don't worry, we'll have enough time. Alright, let's have fun together. Alright, thank you. Let's go next. Okay, hello Danish. Okay, so the next question. An order of operations question. Okay, so remember your orders of operations. There's no bracket here, of course, but your plus, minus, times, divide, the orderings of those will apply here. Okay, okay. Alright, for this question you got 38 more seconds. Okay. Alright, so come on, share this live with your friends, okay? Share it with your friends, get them to join in. Okay, and those who just joined, you can still join the Kahoot. Okay, go to www.kahoot.it, okay, and enter the game pin 3003872. Okay, maybe white color, maybe purple color. Alright. Okay. Wow. Okay, a lot of you. There's quite a split between red and blue. Okay. Okay. Hello, dear. Alright. Yeah. So we will see. Okay. Why is it red and not blue? Okay. Let's go. But before that, okay. Like I said just now, right? You can easily change the ranking. So now we have the mighty kitten. Just now was 3rd place. Okay, now we go to 1st place. Good job, good job. Okay, followed by a new contender, fearless cheetah. Okay, and then we got the friendly ants, and the number 4 and number 5. Okay, there's a huge gap between the number 3 and the number 4. Okay, don't worry, still can catch up. Alright. Alright, now let's see the solution. Alright, so the thing here, I started off with the 7 over 10 times 3. Alright, when you multiply by 3, here you see here, I multiply by 3, I will get this 21 over 10. And then followed by, I handle the addition, because remember we do from left to right. So I don't do the 2 and 3 over 10 minus 21 over 10 first. No. Okay. I do the addition first. So when I do the addition, remember we must make the denominators the same. So I do a 5 times 2, 1 times 2. So it's 3 and 2 over 10 plus 2 and 3 over 10. The 3 plus 2 become 5. That's why 5. You see the second line? I start off with a 5. Okay, and then 2 plus 3, 5. That's why it becomes 5 and 5 over 10. Okay, and then the 21 over 10, I convert it to a mixed number. Because since here I have a mixed number, so I deal with mixed number easier. Okay, so mixed number is 2 and 1 over 10. So when I subtract 5 and 2, I got a 3, 5 over 10 minus 1 over 10, you ended up with 3 and 4 over 10. But remember, simplest form. Okay, that's why we ended up with 3 and 2 over 5. Okay. Alright, anyone not sure about anything, especially how you ended up with the blue? Okay, I think those who ended up with blue is because probably I think you all did the minus first, then you all times 3 or something like that. No, probably because you all did left to right immediately, where you all did the addition first, then you subtract, then you times 3. Okay, that's how you may end up with the blue. Okay, so remember the order of operations. You do the times and divide first, followed by the plus and minus. Okay, and then if you are having everything on the same level, like everything is times, divide, or everything is plus and minus, you do from left to right. Okay? Which part doesn't make sense? Okay? Alright, don't worry. If you're anything not sure, you can just put your questions in the chat. Alright? Okay, for those who just joined, okay, we are at question 2. Okay, we are about to go to question 3. Okay, you can still join by going to www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin at the bottom. Okay, which is 3003872. And then, before I go to the next question, you all can see at the bottom there, they say, rewatch today's live on YouTube. Yes, we have a YouTube channel. Okay, you can go to YouTube and search for @MasterMathsTV. Okay, remember the Master Math with a S. Okay, MasterMathsTV. Okay, and then you can see our previous week's live. Okay, our live are recorded. You can always watch them again. Okay, alright, now let's go to the question 3. Which of the following fractions is closest to 4? Okay. Alright, so closest fraction to 4 can be more than 4, can be less than 4, but closest to 4. Which one? Okay. Which is closest to 4? Remember the closest kind of question. What should you do first? Okay, there's a bit of comparisons here involved. Okay, yeah. So, but you need to do something before you compare. Okay, or if some of you can easily see the answer there, you already know what to compare, then good. Okay. 38 people already answered. Now 39. Okay, and you got 30 more seconds. Okay, so after this live, okay, let's say there are some questions that you may miss my explanation, or you may have some doubts. Okay, you can always go to our Telegram channel here, MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, and then you can download the solution. Okay, the solution will be there. You can download and go through them by yourself. Okay. Yes, the answer is green. Okay, very good, very good. A lot of you got it correct. Okay, alright. Okay, so 23 of you got it correct. Let's see. Who are these 23 and are they going to go to the top 5? The fearless cheetah went up. What happened to the mighty kitten? Okay. And then we got the friendly ants. Okay. So now there's a bit of a difference now between the first place and the 5th place. Okay, the 5th place is at 1,989 points. Okay, so if you think your points, or you can see that your points is very close to 1,989, that means you have a chance to go into the top 5. Okay, but today, okay, the prize will go to the number 1 student. Okay, it's a $10 popular voucher. Okay. So the number 1 spot now is at 2,903 points. Okay. So you know where you're gonna jump. Okay. What do you have to beat to get the number 1 spot? All right. Now let's see. So how do I do this kind of questions is I always take the difference. Okay, when you're dealing with closest, right? Okay, we must always find the difference, because the difference is like the gap between number 4 and the fraction. Okay, so actually this applies to not just fraction. Okay, sometimes you may see those number forming questions, and then they ask you to form a number that is closest to another number. So what you do is you form some options, and then you see which one is the closest by finding the difference. Okay, so to find how close you are, or how close the number to another, you always use difference. Okay, a quick one. What do I mean by difference? Come, put in the chat. What do I mean by difference? What is difference when I say find difference? Yes. Okay, I saw a dash. Okay, I'm assuming that you are referring to subtraction, minus. Yes, correct, Coca-Cola. Okay, why your name Coca-Cola? Subtract. Yes, subtract. No, difference is subtraction. Okay, so that's why you see here, each of these option, I subtract them with 4. Okay, like option 1, I did 4 and 1 over 7 minus 4, and I got 1 over 7. Option 2, I do 4 minus 3 and 7 over 8. I got 1 over 8. Option 3, I do 4 and 1 over 9 minus 4, and I got 1 over 9. Okay, and lastly 4 minus 3 and 10 over 11, and I got 1 over 11. And this comes back to what I did for question 2, or was it question 1? Okay, because you see, when I need to compare the difference, to find the closest is the smallest difference. I need to find the smallest fraction here. So that's why the answer is 1 over 11. Okay, because you see all the fractions here all have a numerator of 1. So the numerators are already the same. You don't have to make it the same. All you have to do is compare the denominator. Okay, so the game pin is 3003872. Okay, come on, join in. Okay, this is the we are still at question 3. We got 5 more questions today. Okay, and still got chance to win that popular voucher. Okay, come on in. Okay, go to www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin 3003872. All right. Okay, I give you 1 minute for those who are still about to join. Okay, so while people are joining in, okay, again, my name is Coach Mo. Okay, so the main thing is that for those who are new to this account on TikTok, okay, follow us. Okay, like for those who are scrolling, suddenly saw us. Okay, follow us, join this Kahoot. Okay, and see if maybe you got your chance today to get your $10 popular voucher. Alright, the game pin is 3003872. Okay, you can see at the bottom here. Alright, so other than that, to know more about us, okay, you can always go to our website, www.mastermaths.com.sg. Alright, you can find where our locations are at there. You can find how to give a trial, okay, for our math class, our science class. All right, you can always sign up for a free trial, okay, then you can get to experience our class. All right, yes, tomorrow there will be a science live, okay, for those who are PSLE preparing for science. Okay, you can give that a trial also. Okay, all right, now let's go to question 4. Okay, evaluate the following in simplest form. Again, another orders of operation question. So which one should we do first? Okay, this one I give you a bit of extra time, okay, because there's a fractions multiplication and also a fractions divide. Okay. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, so your orders of operations, right, it's not just normal numbers. Okay, you can apply it to fractions also. Okay. Okay, 40 more seconds. Okay, for those who already answered, okay, spam the like button also. Okay, press the like. Okay, who knows, maybe you are those who likes spamming the likes, right? Maybe you can get to win today. Okay, Like the happiness that you put on the like button will goes to that brain power that's gonna help you win this Kahoot. Okay. Okay, come, press the like button. Okay, get the likes to 10,000 or even more than 10,000. Okay. Okay, very good. A lot of you got it correct. Okay, 20 of you. Okay, how to like? I think there's a like button, right? There's a heart shape or something like that. Okay, just press that. Okay, alright, very good, very good. Okay, I'm seeing that we from 80 plus. Okay, just now. Okay, so what you can do is share this with your friends also, get them to join. Okay, for those who are viewing right now and not in the Kahoot, okay, go to www.kahoot.it. Okay, on your laptop or on another device, okay, or even on your phone. Okay, and then you can go to www.kahoot.it. Okay, and enter the game pin 3003872. Okay, enter that game pin and join the live. Okay, join the Kahoot. Okay, a lot of changes. Wow, interesting. Okay, and then we got the fearless cheetah now at number 1. There's a legend eagle. Okay, at 3,456 points. Okay, and then the number 5 is the mountain badger at 2,986. Alright, so if you are at like 2,800 something or 2,700 something, okay, from the next question you can actually climb up to the top 5 position. Okay. Alright, now let's take a look at the solution. Okay, so the first one that we do is the 1/3 times 4 over 3. Okay, so the 1 times 4, 3 times 3, you ended up with 4 over 9. Okay, and then there's the divide, because you always do from left to right, right? Okay, you do the multiplication followed by the divide. So the next part we're going to do is 4 over 9 divide by half. So what happens there? You do your keep, change, flip, right? You keep the 4 over 9. You change the divide to a multiply, and you flip. 2 wholes is 2 over 1. You flip, become 1 over 2. So when you multiply, you can cancel the cross cancellation. Remember, the 4 and the 2 both can divide by 2, so become 2 over 9. Okay, that's how we ended up with 6 over 7 plus 2 over 9. And then 7 and 9, common multiple is 63 by multiplying by 9 and multiplying by 7. Okay, so we have 54 plus 14 and we get 68 over 63. Okay, 68 over 63 we can change to into a mixed number, and we get 1 and 5 over 63. Okay, alright, so that's for question 4. Okay, we got 4 more questions to go. Alright, so still can join, okay, even though we're at the middle point, okay, you can still answer faster, get your points, okay. Why cannot be number 4? I don't know what you are discussing. Okay, so yeah. Oh, the answer, why cannot be number 4? Okay, because we got 68 over 63. Okay, it's like doing 68 divided by 63, right? So we take 68 minus 63, we got 5. That's why cannot be number 4 lah. Okay? Alright. Okay, for those who just joined, hello. Okay, my name is Coach Mo. Okay, I'm currently doing this P5 math. But if you're P4 or even you're even older than P5, feel free to join the Kahoot, okay, and test your skills, okay? Test your skills, see do you still remember, how well you remember your fractions questions from primary school. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the next question. How many 8s are there in 5 over 8? This is a quick one. I give you 20 seconds to just now. Okay? How many 8s are there in 5 over 8? Come on. Okay, it's an easy question here. Okay, so I purposely put this to give bonus points. Alright, very good. 21 of you got it correct. Okay, so when I ask for how many 8s, right, it's like asking for the numerator. Okay, yeah. Very good. Okay, the fearless cheetah managed to maintain his or her number 1 spot. Okay, and then we got number 2 with the bronze dingo. What is a dingo? Okay, the legend eagle is still there also. Very good. Okay, the mountain badger climbed up. And the mighty kitten is back at number 5 spot. Okay, alright, very good, very good. Alright, so for those who wants to join the Kahoot, feel free to go to www.kahoot.it, okay, and enter this game pin at the bottom. Okay, 3003872. Okay. Alright, so to know more about us, okay, you can go to our website at www.mastermath.com.sg, okay, to find out more about our classes, where we are at, okay, the programs that we do, and so on and so forth. Okay. Other than that, if you're new to this live also, follow us and then you get to watch our upcoming live also. Alright. Okay, so yeah, basically, because the denominator is already 8, we don't have to change the denominator. Okay, so that's a hint for next question. Okay, in this case, because it's already a denominator of 8, I don't have to change the denominator because the question is asking for how many 8s, right? Okay, if it's not an 8, let's say it's 5 over 4, then I have to times 2 to make it an 8. Okay, this is actually sort of like the equivalent fraction question also. Okay, so a hint at the next question, probably you need to change the denominator. Alright, I already give you a hint. Hopefully more people get correct for next question. Okay, now let's go. How many 6 are there in 2 over 3? Oh, the answer is climbing very fast. Okay, people are answering very fast. Very good, very good. Oh, I should have give lesser time for this. Okay, so but if everybody answered already, you will immediately skip to the leaderboard. Okay, it won't actually basically it won't wait until the timer is up. Alright, so okay, yeah, this is a very simple question also. Come on, answer. Okay, for those who are new to the live, okay, you can still join the Kahoot. The game pin is at the bottom of my screen. 3003872. Okay, so how many 6 are there in 2 over 3? Okay, so what should you do to the 3? Alright. Okay, once you are done also, help us like this live. Okay, now we have 14,000 likes. Make it go to 15,000 or maybe even 16,000. Why not? Alright. Alright, for those who wants to know more about us also, okay, you can go to www.mastermath.com.sg. Very good. 31 of you got it correct. Almost all of you got it correct. Very good, very good. Okay, wow, the 1 to 5 all maintained. Very good, very good. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Let's see the solution first. Okay, so like I said just now, when they are asking for how many 6, you need to change the denominator from 3 to a 6. Okay, so 2 over 3 will be 4 over 6. So the answer will be the numerator, which is 4. Okay, which is the option 3. Okay, now it's a problem sums question where you need to write your answer. Tank A contains 2 and 3 over 5 liters of water. Tank B contains 1 and 1 over 5 liter lesser than A. Tank C contains twice as much as B. How much water is in tank C in decimal and in liters? Alright? Alright, so come, let's discuss primary school math, okay? Let's not confuse others with college maths. Okay? Alright, come, let's focus on this volume of water question with fractions. Okay? Okay, we got 3 more minutes. So what should we do when it is lesser? And what should we do when it contains twice as much? Okay? Alright. 20 of you have put in your answer. Alright, come on, try your best, try your best. You got 3 more minutes. Okay, so they are asking for how much water is in tank C but in decimal and in liters. Okay? So even though it's given in mixed number, okay, but you should answer in decimal and in liters. Okay? So basically, as long you don't change to ml, it's fine. Okay, because the question already gives you in liters. Alright, you can see it is given in 2 and 3 over 5 liters, followed by 1 and 1 over 5 liters. Alright, so it's already given in liters. All you have to do is figure out how to find that tank B is lesser than A by 1 and 1 over 5 liters. And then how do you find C, which is twice as much? What do you do when it's twice as much? What does twice means? Especially for those who already did comparison models in school, right? What does twice means? Okay, we got 100 more seconds. Alright, Dia, don't worry. This is like warm up. So, yes, correct. 2 times, okay? So, yes, good. Okay, 1 more minute, 1 more minute. I think only a few of you left who haven't answered. No, maybe not. Check your working again. Check your working. No, check your working. Alright. In decimal and in liters. Okay, not in fractions. Okay. Don't put like 2 and 1/5. Don't. Okay, put in decimal. Okay, no, it's not hard. Okay, those who did P4 math, I think also can answer this question. Okay. Those who are putting 2.8 on the chat, please check your working again. Okay, you are giving 2.4 also cannot. Check your working again. Okay, lesser. What do you do when it's lesser? Well, suddenly got 3.2. Where does the 3.2 end up at? Okay, 15 more seconds. Let's go. 4.12. You think this one pi? Nah, that's why we are asking for tank C, not tank B. Okay. Hey, why nobody got 1.8? Okay. Alright, no worries, come. Let's see. Okay, because nobody got it correct, so the rankings doesn't change. Okay, so yeah, we find B, okay, by subtracting because it's lesser, right? You see, it's lesser. So what I do is I subtract. If it's more, you plus. If it's less, you minus. Okay? So when I minus 2 and 3 over 5 minus 1 and 1 over 5. Okay? 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 and 3 over 5 minus 1 over 5. So the denominator is already the same. Don't need to do anything with the denominator. So it's 1 and 2 over 5. So tank B is 1 and 2 over 5 liters. Then multiply by 2. When I multiply by 2, I convert the mixed number to improper fraction first. before you do any multiplication or divide, you must always convert the mixed number to improper. Okay? Because I've seen students before, they just multiply the fraction portion. Then they never multiply the one whole. Okay? So, that's why I must always convert to fraction, improper, then that. Okay? Followed by 14/5. Okay. I just realized this also. Okay, no worry. So it's one more question, okay? Don't worry, later I will update the solution, okay? Yeah. Okay, one more question. Okay, so this question now, we start off with 20 kgs of flour. Okay? Then use 1/10. 1/10 is a fraction, not a kg. Okay? He used 1/10 and then gave the rest of the flour equally to 6 of his friend. Okay? And how much flour did each friend receive in kg? Yeah, okay. If it's if you are writing, right, yeah, 1.80 and 1.8, they are the same. Okay, so the thing here, they are interested in the amount of flour given to each friend, not the fraction. That's why I didn't specify whether is it decimal or not in decimal. Okay? And technically, okay, it's a hint lah. Okay, the answer will be in whole numbers. Okay, so okay, there is the at the bottom there. There's a like a box for you to enter your answer. Okay. The code is 3003872. Okay, but this is the last question for today. So, yeah, if you join also, yeah, there won't be, it will just keep on loading lah. Okay. Why those of you can't type? Okay. Is it because you need to scroll down or something like that? Okay, join the live stream, then you will know who's be doing science tomorrow. All right. Okay, 100 more seconds. Okay, wait, let me check about that. Okay, so for the science class tomorrow, it will be at 8:15 p.m. Okay, it will be at 8:15 to 9:15. Alright, but who's hosting it? I'll leave that as a surprise. Okay, so tomorrow 8:15 to 9:15. Alright, it's P6 science, but basically if you are P4 or P5, feel free to join in and learn some additional science also. Okay? It's not, you are not restricted to level PM lah, of course. If AM, you'll be in school, right? Okay? PM. Why are you in school in PM? Okay? No, it's not 0.15. Okay? PM, 8:15 PM. No worries. Okay, so you took out 1/10, and how many kg are you left with? Very good, okay. About 16 of you got it correct, okay? Alright, so if you took out, if he uses 1 over 10, right? He will be left with 9 over 10, right? So 9 over 10, I find out how many flour is that 9 over 10. So I do 9 over 10 multiplied by 20 and I get 18 kg. Okay? Then 18 kg is what's left. Then each friend, because there are 6 friends, right? Can you see my hand? 6 friends. So 6 friends, 18 divided by 6, 3 kg. Okay, that's why the answer is 3 kg. Alright, before I go to the leaderboard, I just wanna 3 remainder 2 because you did 20 divided by 6. Okay, cannot. Because 20 kg, he took out 1 over 10. So you can think of it like 1 over 10, you change it to 2 over 20. So you use 2 kg. Then he's left with 18 kg. Okay, 9 over 10 because 1 whole minus 1 over 10 become 9 over 10. Okay, so before I go to the next part, okay, I would just like to announce, okay, next week's live, there will be a different prize. Okay, next week's live, there will be a different prize. Might be something better than a popular voucher or maybe a bigger amount, I'm not sure yet, but I was just told that there will be something special. Okay, so do join us also next week. Tell your friends, okay, tell your classmates all to join. Share with them in class, share with them in your CCAs and all that. Okay, and more people join next week and it will be more fun. Alright, so before I go to the leaderboard, okay, if you think that you might be the number 1 spot for today, take a screenshot of this QR code because later you need to scan it to submit your claim that you are the number 1 student. Okay, at the same time also take note, later, right, when the leaderboard comes out and is showing that if you are the number 1, right, take a screenshot of that also because you need to submit that. Okay, now let's see who's the number 1 for today. Number 3, we have the legend eagle. Number 2, the mighty kitten. You are very close. Who's the number 1? The fearless cheetah. Good job. Okay, and also number 4, we got the bowl. Okay, never mind, it went away. Alright, okay, so before you leave, okay, just now the number 1 student, okay, remember to scan this QR code before you leave, okay, then you need to fill up some information there to get your popular voucher, okay. So once again, my name is Coach Mo. Thank you everyone. Alright, remember next week we have a special gift for those who join this Kahoot and probably get the number 1 spot, okay. So to challenge your friends and all that, tell them to join also during this week. Alright, yes, this is only for the number 1. Okay, number 2, sorry. Okay, yes. Good job, okay, fearless cheetah. Alright, thank you everyone and see you all next week. Okay, bye-bye. Alright, no worries. Congrats, fearless cheetah. Okay, goodbye everyone.